Everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Tazeen, and in this short video we will be discussing about the exam sheet preparation. So in OPS case, you can divide your biodata in 3 columns, including first column in which you will be collecting information regarding name, age, education, occupation and residence of the patient. Second column will be for the marital history of your patient, like whether for how long she is married for, whether it is the first, second marriage of your patient, and whether they are in a consanguineous relationship or not. What is the parity of your patient, previous mode of delivery, and the age of the last child born to your patient. And in the third column it will be all the information related to her current pregnancy, including first day of last menstrual period, expected date of delivery, duration of pregnancy, and all of you know that blood group is important in obstetrical cases, so you have to write it down. Okay, then you should know about the date of admission, place of admission and mode of admission, and followed by presenting complaint with which the patient presented to the hospital. After that, you can divide the trimester history into 3 columns, first, second and third. However, always remember that at the end of the third trimester, you have to take information about you should ask from your patient about her hospital stay, what plan of management is discussed with your patient, what are patient's wishes, whether breastfeeding, contraception is discussed with your patient or not. In OPS history, your history of present illness always starts from previous obstetrical history. In this way, you will be able to collect a lot of information as far as her previous pregnancies are concerned, followed by previous gynecological history, past medical, surgical, personal, family and socio-economic status of your patient is very important. I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep learning, work hard. Inshallah, you will succeed. Thank you so much.